Hello and welcome. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions on how to add a SCORM package to your course. First, click on Courses in the sidebar, add a new course or select an existing course. When you've opened the course, click on Manage Content on the top right corner. In the Manage Course screen, select Edit Content. Next, you can add a label or a SCORM package. Select Add SCORM Package. Next, you have to give a name. This is mandatory. And add a description. This is optional. You can also add the description to the course if it contains useful info for your users. Now, you can add a SCORM package. You can drag and drop the file into it or manually add it by clicking in the box. After uploading your file, make sure to check all your settings before you scroll to the bottom and hit Save. Thanks for watching.